How to apply a promo code on the Chipotle app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to save money on your next Chipotle order, well, in this video I'll show you exactly how to apply a promo code in the Chipotle app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Chipotle app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can go ahead and build your meal. Whether it's burrito, bowl or salad, you can add everything to your cart. And once you are ready, you can just tap on the checkout button to proceed to the order summary page. And after that, you simply have to scroll down until you see the promo code field. So here you simply have to tap on it and enter your promo code or coupon code carefully. And after that, you just have to tap apply and you should instantly see your discount reflected in the total. If it's a free item, you would see it added to your order. And once the code is applied successfully, you can go ahead and place your order like normal and enjoy your savings. And that's it. That's how you can apply promo code on the Chipotle app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.